Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi everyone, welcome to Test Prep Training. In this video you will learn about the top interview questions for AWS Certified Security Specialty. So let's get started. Question number 1, what do you mean by Amazon Web Services? Your answer is, Amazon Web Service is a platform that offers flexible, reliable, scalable, easy to use, and cost-effective cloud computing solutions. It offers cloud computing, databases, storage facilities, content deliveries, and many other state-of-the-art services to businesses of any scale. Moreover, offering over 200 fully featured services from data centers globally. Question number 2, what is cloud computing? Your answer is, cloud computing is a term referred to storing and accessing data over the Internet. Cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of IT resources over the Internet with pay-as-you-go pricing. It doesn't store any data on the hard disk of your personal computer. In cloud computing, you can access data from a remote server. Question number 3, when should someone report abuse of their AWS services? Your answer is, the AWS Trust and Safety Team looks AWS resources when they are engaged in the following types of abusive behavior. 1. Spam. 2. Port scanning. 3. Denial of service attacks. 4. Intrusion attempts. 5. Hosting objectionable or copyrighted content. 6. Distributing malware. Question number 4, what to do if you inadvertently expose an AWS access key? Your answer is, if you inadvertently share your AWS access key, then follow these steps. 1. Determine what resources those credentials have access to. 2. Invalidate the credentials so they can no longer be used to access your account. 3. Consider invalidating any temporary security credentials that might have been issued using the credentials. 4. Restore appropriate access. 5. Review access to your AWS account. Question number 5, how to remediate a compromised S3 bucket in your AWS environment. Your answer is, 1. Identify the affected S3 resource. 2. Identify the source of the suspicious activity and the API call used. 3. Determine whether the call source was authorized to access the identified resource. Question number 6, what is Amazon CloudFront? Your answer is, Amazon CloudFront is a web service that speeds up distribution of static and dynamic web content, such as HTML, CSS, JS, and image files, to its users. CloudFront delivers your content through a worldwide network of data centers called edge locations. When a user requests content that you're serving with CloudFront, the request is routed to the edge location that provides the lowest latency, so that content is delivered with the best possible performance. Question number 7, what are the benefits of using AWS Shield Standard? Your answer is, all AWS customers benefit from the automatic protections of AWS Shield Standard. 1. No additional charge. 2. AWS Shield Standard defends against the most common, freely occurring network and transport layer DDoS attacks that target your website or applications. 3. AWS Shield Standard helps protect all AWS customers. You get particular benefits if you are using Amazon CloudFront and Amazon Route 53. Moreover, these services receive comprehensive availability protection against all known infrastructure attacks. Question number 8, what is AWS Shield Advanced? Your answer is, for higher levels of protection against attacks, one can subscribe to AWS Shield Advanced. When you subscribe to AWS Shield Advanced and add specific resources to be protected, AWS Shield Advanced provides expanded DDoS attack protection for web applications running on the resources. Question number 9, what do you mean by AWS WAF? Your answer is, AWS WAF is a web application firewall that allows the users to monitor the HTTPS requests that are forwarded to an Amazon CloudFront distribution, an Amazon API Gateway REST API, an application load balancer, or an AWS AppSync GraphQL API. It also lets you control access to your content. Question number 10, explain IDS systems for EC2 instance. Your answer is, Intrusion detection systems monitor networks or systems for malicious activity, or policy violation and report them to systems administrators, or a piece of security information and event management system. Number 11. Explain IPS systems for EC2 instance. Your answer is: intrusion prevention systems are positioned behind firewalls, and provide an additional layer of security by scanning and analyzing suspicious content for potential threats. Placed in the direct communication path, an IPS will take automatic action on suspicious traffic within the network. Question number 12. What is IAM? Your answer is: AWS Identity and Access Management is a web service that helps its users to securely control access to AWS resources. You use IAM to control who is authenticated, signed in, and authorized, has permissions, to use resources. Question number 13. What is an IAM users? Your answer is: an IAM user is an entity that you create in AWS. The IAM user represents the person or service who uses the IAM user to interact with AWS. Moreover, the basic use for IAM users is to give people the ability to sign into the AWS Management Console for interactive tasks, and to make programmatic requests to AWS services using the API or CLI. Question number 14. What is AWS Key Management Service? Your answer is: AWS Key Management Service is a managed service that makes it easy for you to create and control customer master keys, the encryption keys used to encrypt your data. Question number 15. What are data keys? Your answer is: data keys are encryption keys that you can use to encrypt data, including large amounts of data and other data encryption keys. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.